A lot of the supermarkets have got their Christmas dinner vegetables on special offer. I've been to Sainsbury's and Tesco's. Sainsbury's have got potatoes for 19p. Well, if you get 2 or 3 packets of those, they will certainly keep. I've got some here in a canvas bag that I've had for months. They're in a cool, dark place. Okay, some of them are starting to sprout, but you just rub those off and they're perfectly alright to use. So if you've got a little bit of spare money for 19p, if you bought 2 or 3 packets, it would last you weeks. The cabbage was 19p, the swede was 19p. This is at Sainsbury's. They had carrots at 19p. I'd already got some from Tesco's, so that's where those have come from. And these are some of the things I've got over the last few days. The watercress, spinach and rocket, 31p. Those are the hazelnuts that I actually foraged in the autumn. So if you're out foraging, make sure you know what you're picking before you pick them. I managed to get some chestnuts reduced. They were £3 down to 1.47. There's a few black grapes there still left because I've been picking. They were 50p from £2. Some blueberries down to 50p. Some crinkle cut butternut chips, it says, 10p down from £1. Some broccoli spears down to 10p. Some spinach down to 31p. And some curly kale down to 18p. Oh, and some leeks down to 10p. So these Christmas offers, well, the swede will certainly keep, the cabbage will keep, carrots will keep. Take them out of the plastic though and sort of dry them out on a rack before you even put them in the vegetable store in the fridge, or in a canvas bag like I've done here, and they'll keep for months. So take advantage while you can. Look at those lovely flowers. Down from £5 to £1.25. So there we are, beautiful flowers, £1.25. So thank you to everybody that's subscribed to my channel, watched my videos and given a thumbs up and a comment, much appreciated. And I do hope you find time for yourselves this holiday, and if you're working, still make time for yourself. Take care, people.